guys, back to watching me wash me. So I'm not gonna show you my body, you're a bitch. So look at this. So I'm just gonna wash and I'll show you what I'm gonna trigger. I'm gonna trigger the same trigger on when I trigger the bottom. And this is when I trigger the bottom. I was to the school, but I'm gonna trigger this on. At the top, I think I have to hold it. And the Shockies. I'm gonna show it to you the next part. So this is part 2. So here's my water. You want to see the water? The water's cold, but I don't care. Ik hoop bij van koude water. Ik ga met Jan uitgetrekken. Can you, baby, don't wanna still move on? I can't move on. Like to go to now home. Ik ga mijn boel uit was. Ik ben was. Baby, don't wanna still move on. I can't move on. Way to go to now. So, ik ga verder toemaken met die ding. Dan gaat ik gauw mee was. Handdoek gebruik. Rollon gebruik. Amper op. I also did my skincare. So let's go. So you can see how it is. Yay! Yay! So let's go wash my face before the thing's over. Let's go. Let's go drink some water.